As a professional advertising signage manufacturer, LCSIGN covers many different types of signage products. And we can also customize them according to the actual needs of different customers. Welcome back to our channel. Here is LCSIGN. What's up, homie? I'm Tony. Today, I'll systematically introduce our brand's product series to you and help you understand us better. We have briefly introduced product types to you before. It mainly includes luminous signs, non-luminous signs, neon signs, light boxes, creative signs, customized sign, and continues to develop new sign series. Luminous signs including face-lit signs and the backlit signs, side-lit signs, and fully lit signs. From these LED luminous signs with different materials, processes, and form are diverse, such as LED track channel letter sign, bright luminous sign, full color letter signs, side punch letters, acrylic backlit signs, marquee letter signs. Non-luminous signs including non-luminous signs such as solid metal letters, solid acrylic letters, frame letters, and other luminous sign accessories. Neon signs including flexible neon lights, acrylic neon lights, metal letter neon lights, etc. The versions of neon lights will also be constantly updated to meet more diverse needs. Light boxes including ultra-thin light boxes, desktop light boxes, vertical light boxes, foam light boxes, and other types are available in different sizes to suit customers with different business needs. Creative signs including pylon, door side, metal plaques, etc. LCSIGN has been committed to creative, more professional and creative signs, breaking the rules and pursuing innovative ideas. New products such as flexible screens, magnetic neon lights, holographic fans, infinity mirror, etc. LCSIGN attaches great importance to research and development of new signage products. Our products types are diverse with supporting product solutions suitable for indoor and outdoor use, hot selling and shipped to most countries. High quality materials, professional technology, and mature workmanship. International certifications such as UL and CE, making our products more competitive than most products on the market. Warranty and after-sales services provide you with guaranteed purchase and peace of mind. For example, luminous letter signs generally have a 3 to 5 years warranty, and some non-luminous signs even have a lifetime warranty. Whether this is your first time purchase or repurchase, please feel free to contact us for more information and to receive a free quote. LCSIGN will be your best choice.